Hello friends, welcome back to our channel You Next Officer. We are back with our initiative and a discussion of sociology, daily one sociology question. And here we are today with our very important topic of paper 2, dominant caste of MN Srinivas. Before starting our session, do subscribe, share and like our channel guys. So here we are with the topic MN Srinivas. He is a structural functionalist, and he gave the he coined the word dominant caste, right, and gave the concept about dominant caste. Okay, so shall we start with our dominant caste? So the first question is, what is dominant caste, right? We need to first describe what is dominant caste. So first seen Srinivas is very was very much influenced by the Robert Brown, sorry, Redcliffe Brown, and Robert Redfield. Robert Redfield, right? And then he studied, the Srinivas studied the Rampura village, study of Rampura, Rampur, Mysore village, Mysore village, in which he studied about the dominant caste, right? And in order to study the dominant caste and to write about that dominant caste, he wrote one book. The name of the book is very important. The Remembered Village. The Remembered Village, right? In this book, what he studied about the dominant caste. See, in the dominant caste, this is a kind of a caste which holds the kind of a numerical strength. Numerically, it is strengthful, having a sizable population and high place of in the local hierarchy or in the village. That dominant caste exists within the village, not outside the village. Maybe one dominant caste, there is a one, suppose there is a two three villages in the state. There are many villages, but within that village only one caste is called as a dominant caste. In the other village, the other caste will be dominant, right? So jobs in the administration, urban sources of income, these are the features because of and through which the dominant caste is identified. There are the six attributional attributes or the features, six features. First is numerical strength, other is the sizable amount of arable land, agricultural arable land, right? Other is the local high place in the local hierarchy, right? Next is the western education, jobs in the administration or urban source of income are coming from the urban source, right? So these are the features. If that particular caste is having any of these features or more than of these features, are called as a dominant caste, right? So what is dominant caste? I am telling you the feature, but before starting the feature, you need to describe the definition of dominant caste, right? It means upholding the superiority over the other caste by the means of numerical or political strength. So the which caste which has the superiority in the village, right? For example, Yadavs in UP, right? In UP, or we can say Jats in Haryana, right? They're called a dominant caste. They define the polity, the tilt of the polity. Because of their numerical strength, they had the dominant place, right? However, numerical strength and the economic power and the political power are the major feature of the dominant caste. Ritual ranking of the caste is no longer remains. See, in the village, the Brahmins were considered as a higher caste, right? But because of they are the cultural superiority, there is a cultural superiority belongs to that the Brahmin caste. But because of the structural superiority, because of the social superiority, the higher caste, that is dominant caste, may or may not be higher, right? That dominant caste may or may not be higher is called as a dominant caste, right? And they hold the kind of a superiority. So you can write the example of Rampura village of Mysore, where number of castes are present, right? There are a number of a caste, but and the Brahmins were also there. But this is if some caste is having the kind of a political strength, right? If they have the numerical strength, definitely they engage or they propagate the kind of a political strength, right? Now this is the whole definition or the explanation. The model answer which I gave you is a kind of a answer which you can write in your exam directly. Now moving on to the whether it is asked or not, you have to write the criticism of your dominant caste, right? The first is the DN Majumdar. What he said that SC and ST see, if in any village there is a numerically SC and ST SC and STs are numerically strength. There's a high means higher population of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, but they will not become a kind of a dominant caste. Andre Vite explains the same thing, that is because of the land reform of a big loaning class, this ceased to be important element of the dominant caste. See, land owning caste will become the dominant caste. This is what Andre Bite was saying. Moving on to next part, that is a Louis Dumont claimed the dominance should be a purely a secular phenomena, right? What he said that the dominance in the village is a kind of a secular phenomena. There is no relation with the caste, right? What said is that the rejected the idea of dominant caste. Rather, its caste is a mobilization. The caste mobilize. In the contemporary world, what he said in the contemporary world, the caste mobilize because of the westernization, because of intercaste marriage, because of the modernization, because of the education system, and sorry, IT revolution. These were the factors because of which the caste mobilize, and there is a no more relevance is left with the dominant caste. Now, Dipankar Gupta, we can conclude it by saying Dipankar Gupta, that is dominant caste are overpowered by the emergence of new group, and they create the power faction Kham. Dipankar Gupta, the Kham. What he said, that is a Kshatriyas, Harijans, Adivasis, Muslims, right? These, they are the dominant caste. They replaces the kind of a dominant caste. They work together to form the political establishment, right? They work together to form the political establishment. Same goes in the UP, where the Muslims and Yadavs decide the kind of a dominant caste. Okay, so these are the things. So we are done with the dominant caste. So do subscribe, share, and like our channel. So thank you very much for the discussion. Do let me know if any changes or any changes you want me to incorporate. So do let me know. And for the PDF of this or the model answer, subscribe to our Telegram channel. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.